Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibina Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. Assalamu students. You must be fine properly today. And let's start. Correlative conjunctions. They are also called paired conjunctions. They are used in pairs. Clear? For example, not only but also. Is not only rich but also a good person. Clear? Next one. He is not only poor but also honest. Next one, neither nor then either, or we also use study it like either and study it like either. Clear? Pronounce it. No sooner than, hardly, scarcely, when. They come in pairs. Next one is cumulative or copulative conjunctions. Names are difficult, terminologies are difficult. But when we come to know about them, they are quite easy. For example, they are the cumulative conjunction. It is used to add one statement into another statement. Clear? They are used to add one statement into another statement. Clear? For example, and that is a cumulative conjunction. They went to the market. That is one statement. Then we want to add another, bought a few books. We use this cumulative conjunction. Clear? There are also coordinating conjunctions. Let me tell you. The main thing is what examiner is asking. If he is writing in the option whether it's cumulative or copulative, then write this, take mark this one. If he has not removed it, cumulative or copulative, he has written coordinating conjunction, just take mark. Anyway, so next one. Adversative conjunctions. It is used to show contrast between two statements. What is contrast? Something that is opposite. Something that shows opposition, that shows something opposite. Clear? So, for example, somebody is reading. Stand up. Don't focus on camera. Just stand up. You want to stand up. Clear? See her sweater. It's black. And she is wearing a white shirt. So there is contrast. Let me tell you, it's a good contrast. Clear? Every one of you are wearing black sweaters and white shirts. So they are contrasting colors. Here I am telling you the meaning of the contrast. You go to, you can say, clothing shop or garment shop. You say, give me a good contrast. Give me a good contrast that it may not look odd. Clear, Fatma? Are you looking at the board?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so. Anyway, look at this. So contrast, he worked hard yet he failed. So again there is a contrast, he worked hard, and if somebody works hard, definitely he passes. Clear? But there is something opposite is happening. Yet he failed. Hard workers, they are always successful. But this is contrasting, this is quite opposite. Failed. Yet he failed. So yet is the adversative conjunction. Clear? It shows the contrast. Something that is happening against, ordinary circumstances. Clear? He is poor but he is honest. Usually it is considered that poor people, they are not honest. In 88% cases or 70% cases, sometimes 90% cases. Clear? But poor and then being honest, that is quite contrasting. That is quite opposite. Clear? So it is very strange. He is poor but he is honest. Clear? So again there are contrasts between the two statements. This but shows the contrast. This yet shows the contrast. Next one, he was annoyed. Still, but he remained quiet. The person is annoyed. The person is angry. The person is resented. Clear? The person is not in a good mood. The person is not having a good temperament. He is losing the temperament. That is called annoyed. Clear? The person is annoyed and quite opposite. Usually angry people, they make noise, they yell, they cry. Clear? They create a storm in the teacup. They cause a storm in the teacup. They create havoc. They create problems. Sometimes they start throwing the things. So it's quite opposite. He was annoyed, but he remained quiet. Still, but what is this? Still he remained quiet. Should not be but. Either but or still. Clear? Still he remained. Even then he is quiet. Clear? So these two statements, they are again contrasting. Next one is alternative or disjunctive conjunction is used to show a choice between two statements. To show a choice. Clear? Between two statements. Work hard or you will fail. So there is a choice. Either work hard or accept failure. Either work hard or accept two options. You have got two options, you have got two choices. Either work hard or accept failure. Clear?
Clear.
Either look at the board or be out of my class. Again, there is a chance. Either look at the board or stay out of my class. Be focused when you're sitting in my class. Next one, walk quickly, else you will get late. Walk quickly. That's what you people do. Whenever there's English period, everybody is turning towards the class, English class, because they are fond of studying English. You know, is it a contrast or choice? Anyway, walk quickly, else you will get late. Else you will get or miss some part of the lecture. Clear? So again, there is choice. They are used for choice between the two statements. Either accept this one or accept that one. Clear? Next one, he doesn't come, neither does he come. He doesn't come. There is one option, neither does he come. This is used for choice. Clear? Next one, illative conjunction. A bit heavy duty or difficult terminology, but it may be easy when we look at the words. It is used to express an inference, interference, result, or conclusion. Basically, it is not interference, it is inference. Inference is a logical result. Clear? So used for results or conclusions. Clear? Whenever we have done something, there is a result. For example, something certainly fell. For I heard a splash. Clear? So, what is the result? When something falls, what happens? There is a noise. The result is noise. So, fa is used for results. Clear? Next one, he was neglectful of his studies. He was neglectful of his studies. What is the result? We use this one, therefore he failed. He was neglectful of his studies. Therefore, this was the action and this is the result. Clear? To show result we use these words. Therefore, for the lake is polluted, so fish are dying. Clear? So what is the lake? It is
Action.
What is the lake? It is polluted. What is the result?
Fish are dying.
Fish are dying. So they are used for result, to show the results. Clear? Thank you very much. If you have any question or queries, you may ask me online, offline, that's your choice. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.